Tired of cakes full of sugar and flour that weigh heavy on your stomach and conscience? Want a healthy, delicious dessert ready in minutes that will surprise you? Meet the oatmeal, apple, and carrot cake, no flour, no sugar, and packed with flavor. In this video, learn how to make this practical recipe in just 15 minutes, with simple ingredients already in your pantry. Curious to know how to turn oatmeal, apple, and carrot into a fluffy, irresistible cake? Stick around until the end to discover the secret of a special cream that takes this recipe to the next level. Let's start with the ingredients. For the cake base, you'll need 100 grams of whole oat flakes, 100 grams of ground oat flakes, 250 milliliters of hot milk, 3 eggs with whites and yolks separated, 1 medium carrot, 1 medium apple, 50 milliliters of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of sweetener like stevia, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 50 grams of raisins, 50 grams of dried apricots, and 50 grams of chopped walnuts. For the crunchy topping, grab 50 grams of whole oat flakes, 50 grams of liquid honey, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and the remaining walnuts. For the cream, set aside 70 milliliters of milk, 20 grams of sugar-free white chocolate, and half a tablespoon of cornstarch. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and grease a medium baking pan, about 20 to 22 centimeters, with butter. In a large bowl, mix 100 grams of whole oat flakes with 100 grams of ground oat flakes. Add 250 milliliters of hot milk and stir well. Separate the whites and yolks of the 3 eggs. Add the yolks to the oat mixture. Add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix everything. Grate 1 medium carrot and add it to the bowl. Stir in 50 milliliters of vegetable oil and mix until smooth. Now, in another bowl, beat the 3 egg whites with 2 tablespoons of sweetener until stiff peaks form. Chop 1 medium apple and gently fold it into the egg whites. Soak 50 grams of raisins and 50 grams of dried apricots in hot water for a few minutes to hydrate. Chop 50 grams of walnuts and add 2/3, about 33 grams, to the egg whites. Reserve the remaining walnuts. Gently fold the egg whites with apple and walnuts into the oat mixture, stirring carefully to keep the texture fluffy. Drain the raisins and apricots. Chop the apricots and add both to the batter. Mix gently. Pour the batter into the greased baking pan, spreading it evenly. For the crunchy topping, mix in a small bowl 50 grams of whole oat flakes, 50 grams of liquid honey, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and the remaining chopped walnuts, about 17 grams. Spread this mixture over the batter in the pan. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes, or until the cake is golden and firm. Do the toothpick test if needed. While the cake bakes, prepare the cream. Heat 70 milliliters of milk in a microwave-safe bowl. Add 20 grams of sugar-free white chocolate and stir until melted. Stir in half a tablespoon of cornstarch and microwave on high for 30 seconds. Stir well until you get a smooth cream. Let the cake cool for a few minutes before unmolding. Spread the white chocolate cream over the cooled cake. Slice it to reveal the fluffy texture with bits of dried fruit. If you like, try serving it with plain yogurt or more honey for a twist. This recipe is practical, healthy, and perfect for any occasion. So, what did you think? This dessert proves you can eat well without sacrificing health. Leave a like, share with those who love healthy recipes, and subscribe for more ideas like this. Try it out and let us know in the comments how your cake turned out.